Welcome back to the garage, the place where we are making your Bronco, your dream Bronco. Now today what we're doing is we're unboxing the Edelbrock Pro-Flo 4. This isn't an enormous box for what's inside of here. I don't know what the shipping is on this, but it's a lot. Oh! Comes with a tablet. All right, so looking at all this, you got your throttle body and your intake. You got your wiring harness. You got some gaskets for your intake manifold right here. You got your MSD. Yeah, it's not an MSD. You got your distributor that comes with the system. It also comes with a little tablet, 7-inch tablet. And then your ECU is also included. So man, that's a lot of really good stuff right there with the Edelbrock system. You guys know that I've been running the Phytech EFI, which just comes with the throttle body. And the interesting part is the ECU is actually in the throttle body of the Phytech unit, which I think is a lot of what they're having trouble with that throttle body, is that ECU being in the unit. And then this is pretty cool too, like having a little tablet. Like I think this is a little bit extra to get the tablet, but definitely a cool little add-on there. And man, this looks really, really nice. I like how, you know, this has the frame rails on there. For, you know, kind of a closer direct injection kind of thing. Port injection, not direct injection, but port injection. And then this wiring harness is incredibly intimidating. There's just so much in here, but comes with zip ties, everything. There's the O2, the wideband O2 sensor, a couple other things in there, and man, it's kind of scary. All the wires are definitely a scary part about these units, but yep, that is it. That's everything in there. There you go. Edelbrock distributor. So yeah. That is everything. And then the gaskets. Now I'm more of a Felpro kind of gasket guy, but I might just go ahead and put the Edelbrocks on there anyway. We'll see. All right, that is it. That was the unboxing of the Edelbrock Pro-Flo 4. And if you guys haven't seen the install video where I actually put it on my Bronco, make sure to check that video out. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.